Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to send USDT from Tonkeeper to Bybit. Now, of course, you need two things. You need a Tonkeeper wallet and you need to have a Bybit account. So you can do this on the desktop or laptop, as you can see what we are using for this video right now, or you can use it on your mobile device via the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. So what you want to do is, of course, you need to have signed in on your Bybit account here, and you need to have the Tonkeeper Google Chrome extension right here. Now, to get your USDT from your Tonkeeper wallet to your Bybit account, it's very easy. All you need to do is click on send. And here you're going to have your recipient address and comment. You need the wallet address here, and you need to put a comment here, say like, transfer USDT to Bybit. That's pretty much it, right? So let's get the Bybit wallet address you need. So what you want to do is look towards your upper right corner of the screen. You see the deposit option that's highlighted in yellow. Click on it, and you'll move on to this page. Now you need to choose a coin to deposit. Of course, we are choosing USDT like so, and choose a chain. So let's, for example, just choose ERC20, which is Ethereum, and then confirm deposits. Right, let's do that. And this is going to be your USDT wallet address for Bybit. Click on copy. Of course, it's blurred because, of course, for privacy. And then go back to your Tonkeeper and go back to send, and just tap on send here, and then put a comment here. Click continue. It's very straightforward, and you will be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.